Hi, this is Rich Bowers from Bowers AKC Labs. We are looking at Hope's puppies. Yay! Let me see if I can find the chocolate Winky here. Yep, there he is. Dave, here's Winky. Yes, that's your puppy, Dave. And there we are. Let me see who this is. Is this the man? Yes. This is the puppy formerly known as. Yes. So that's that. Then we have some females. Let me see the other male. I think I have the other male. Is gone to, let me see, that's a female. I'll just show you the female. There's the female, beautiful, she's available. Let me see, how about this one? Another female. Yay! And this would be the male. I forget who got this one. But this is the other male. Yay! So, let me see about the. And here's the other male. I know someone's getting two males, but there's one of them. So, there they are. Hope's litter. Everybody's looking good. Over there. Pikachu, stop. All right, Rich Bowers from Bowers AKC Labs. Sign off. They're looking good. Everybody's looking good.